building trusses in this environment, well, we're not actually building trusses. We're putting together short little walls to set the trusses up, and we do the short little walls so that it's nice and safe for you. You know, you're not working at heights and that, and you can easily stand on the ground to erect them. You have to be mindful of the other people that you're working with, and you have to be organised. Make sure that your area is set up, the trusses are laid out in a way that you can find them. You need to be conscientious of that. In all these environments, there are other people going to work and come in and all that. The timber that we're going to use, like for battens and things, you can see it's quite a bit there. So we need to reuse and take timber from the rack and put joins in. And you can see this example here in this workshop. We've got to make sure we barricade off so that people doing other projects in the same area, as in like trench shoring, as you can see here, needs to be nice and safe. Good housekeeping in all your offcuts and bits and pieces can get thrown into the middle if they're not going straight into the bin. And you'll see lots of variations on what gets done and when. Like in some examples, we might choose to do something a little bit different. It just depends on, what's available at the time, the condition of everything. This is paramount for us to make sure that our trusses are suitable for use again. So you can see we put blocks on the side, so we're not fixing to the truss, we're fixing to the block which is bolted. We can easily replace that, and by doing it this way we get many uses out of the trusses. And it's the same whichever campus, same setup, similar trusses. Now when it comes to dismantling, we need to denail each piece one at a time, keep it clean, and we need to save the bolts and screws and bits and pieces and reuse them and look after the bits and pieces we've got. Make sure all the walls are stacked up nice, the area's left clean, and lastly, everything is stacked up the way that it fits in so that it can be forked up onto the racks. It's not that hard to be considerate and to make sure that everything is back the way it was and that we can get as many uses as possible out of our materials. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your truss week.